Hello everyone. As I get older, I feel a growing need to experience the freedom and independence that motorcycle riding alone gives me. This reflection arose in connection with my last birthday and led me to realize the very essence of freedom, which is associated with motorcycles. Feeling alone on the road allows me to communicate deeply with myself, explore my thoughts, and solve personal problems. Although I like the camaraderie in biker groups, there is something special about the introspection that a solo ride offers. The absence of external expectations and the freedom to make instant decisions are liberating. I can stop whenever I want, change the route at will, and enjoy the scenery without restrictions. This autonomy allows me to discover new perspectives about myself and the world around me. While I recognize the risks associated with traveling alone, I think the reward is worth it. The opportunity to face your fears, explore unfamiliar places, and connect with yourself on a deeper level is an invaluable experience. In the future, I plan to go on a long solo trip around the world, which encourages me to move on. I know it won't be easy, but I'm ready to accept the uncertainty and find out what awaits me on this difficult path.